Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will discuss about the topic called assertions in JUNIT-5. In the assertions, I want to discuss about the two important methods, which is assertArrayEquals and assertIterableEquals. In assertArrayEquals, it will compare the two object arrays. It will compare the two object arrays such that these arrays are equal or not. If they are equal, the test will be passed. If they are not equal, it will throw a assertion error. It will give a assertion error message. And also, if the expected value and the actual value, both the values are null, it will also consider this as an equal, and that means the test will be passed if both the values are also null. Means, let me discuss it with an example. I am taking one field, private array of string letters of alphabet A, B, C. I have taken this field. Let me take a getter method. Public array of string that will return the array of string. Get 3 letters. I am saying that returns the 3 letters. Control space. If you press control space, it will come letter of alphabet. Control shift format. Here I have taken the method which is a get 3 letters method that returns the array of a string. In the test class, what I will do here is I will simply just get into the test class. In the test class, I will take one method, void test array equals method. First thing what I will do here is I will annotate it with @test, and also I will give a name for this, which is display name annotation. In that I will give a name which is a array equals checking. I am saying in this method, so that when we annotate this method with @test, this method will be considered as a for testing purpose. For testing, I will take some expected value like array of string array I'm saying this as A, comma, B, comma, C. Some expected value I have taken. In order to call the method which is there in the DemoUtils class, what I will do here is I will simply DemoUtils equal to new DemoUtils. I will take the method now, which is assertArrayEquals. First it will take the expected value. Expected value is I am passing the string array. Actual value is, what I will do here is I have created the object for the DemoUtils class. Now by using the reference variable DemoUtils dot, I am calling the method get3letters, and also I will pass the message such that arrays should be the same. If we get any error, means it will show the message arrays should be the same. See here, the expected array and the actual array is the same. Now the test should be passed. Right click, run as JUnit test. Letter. See here, the color is green. That means the test has passed. For example, here in the DemoUtils, what I am doing here is I will pass the null value, and here also I will pass the null value. Control C. Now right click, run as JUnit test. Now also the test will be passed. The test is passed like that. For example, here if I take the expected value as A, comma, B, comma, C, and if I run this test, means it will fail. JUnit. See here, the test has failed because the actual value and the expected value both are different. Now let me discuss about the assert iterable equals. The assert iterable equals, it will asserts that the expected and the actual iterables are deeply equal. In order to be equal, both iterable must return equal elements. Let me discuss this with a simple example. Here in the demo utils, what I am doing here in the demo utils is, I was just taking the some private some list of string I am taking. In the list of string, what I am doing here is I am taking some random list. I am taking equal to list dot of, I am saying here Java to planet. I'm saying Control Shift O to organize the imports. Control save. I will take one method, Control Shift, like public some that returns the list of string, get string details, I'm saying that returns the list, random list. Control Shift format. Now what I will do here is, this is the previous test. Now this I will make it as, so both the tests will pass. See, what I will do here is, I will get into the test class. I will take one test method, void test iterable. I will name this, I will annotate this with @test, and also I will annotate this with display name as test iterable. Inside that, what I will do here is, I will take string some list of, inside that I will take some list, some random list, like list of string, Control Shift of some random list equal to list dot of. I'm taking Java, comma 2, comma planet. Here I will create the object for the demo utils. Demo utils equal to new demo utils, and after that I will take the assertion method, which is assertIterableEquals, which is assertIterableEquals. iterable=, and I will pass the expected list with the actual list. Demo utils dot get string details, comma, and I will pass the message expected list should be same as actual list. Control shift format, control save, control M. See here, the expected list, which is Java 2 planet, should be equal to the actual list. That means this test should become true. Right click, run as JUnit test. Now both the tests, which are test array equals, that means array equals checking, and test iterable, both the tests should be passed, should be true, should be in a green color. Let's see. See here, it is in a green color. That's all about the assertArrayEquals and assertIterableEquals method. Thank you.